so far, let us learn how to cut and sew this trendy overlap layer top for baby. You can also make it as a dress for children. Also, you can style it with a big bow at the back of the dress. So see how lovely the dress is. So you see it is neat from the inside also. By the end of this tutorial, you will learn how to sew this dress and this lovely ruffles neatly. So we are going to mark the length of the dress or the top. So the length of the baby dress is 15 inches. So I will mark it out. So after marking it out, I'll rule with a straight line. It's as simple as that. So if you are a new subscriber, so do well to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get you notified when we are posting new tutorials. So I've already marked that out. So I'll divide the shoulder. The baby shoulder is 9 inches. So I'll divide it by 2, making it 4.5. Then I'll mark the chest line 6 inches. That's the normal length for a 1-year-old children chest line. So after marking it out, I will connect it like so. I'll connect it like so. Then I also connect the chest line like so. So then I'll mark the shoulder line down and I'll connect it to with a straight line like so. Then I'll mark the neckline of 1 inches, then 2 inches down, 1 inch as the width and 2 inches as the depth. Okay, so that's how I'm marking the neckline. So I will go down by the shoulder line by ½ inch and connect it to the neckline like so. Then I'll mark the chest line. The chest line is 24 divided by 4 is 6. So I'll mark the midpoint of the shoulder line and go in by ½ inch. Okay, or I'll just connect it like so. So I've already connected the armhole line with my French cuff like so. It's as simple as that. So the waist length is 10 inches. Okay, so I'll mark 10 inches from the shoulder line. This is me marking it out like so. So I'll just connect it with a straight line. At the hem, I'm going to go out by 10 inches. Then I'll connect it with an A-shaped line to the chest line like so. So my dress will have this A line. So for the back neckline, I will go down by 1 inches like so. Then I'll connect it to the neckline at the top. So I'm drafting the front and back dress. So I'll cut out my baby dress like so. It's very simple. So let me know where you're watching this tutorial from, and you can give this video a big thumbs up if you like this tutorial, and please help us share so that others can see and learn. So I'll just go up by 4 inches and mark it. Then I'll connect it to the center front in a slant line like so. Then I will slash the bodies out, so indicating the front and back. So I will just notch the side like so. Then I'll keep the back pattern. Okay, so I will just cut out that slash and cut out the neckline like so. So then I'll bring my fabric and I'll fold it into 2, and I'll leave like 3 inches for the overlap like so. After leaving 3 inches, I'll use my pin to pin down my pattern on the fabric. Then I'll mark ½ inches at the hem. Okay, then I'll connect it like so. So I will trace out the neckline and the shoulder line. Then I'll add 1 inch for seam allowance at the side seam like so. So after adding all these allowances and everything, I will just cut out my front baby dress pattern like so. So after cutting, I'll slash the center front, okay, for my overlap. Then I'll remove my pattern. So I'm going to be cutting and the facing, or the second, because I'm going to, for neat finish purpose, I'm going to cut another front. Okay, so I'll place this, I will notch the 3 inches like so. So you see the overlap, I'll notch it. Then I'm going to use this fabric to cut out another one for neat finishing purpose. Okay. So I will cut out the dress like so. I hope this tutorial was helpful. So let me know where you're watching this tutorial from, and let me know your thoughts about this tutorial. Please, you can comment down below in the comment section. So this is the back pattern. I'll pin it on a folded fabric like so. So after pinning it down, so I will just trace out the neckline like so, and also I'll be marking ½ inch at the hem. like so. After marking it half inch, I'll just connect the dots like so. So at the side seam, I'll go out by 1 inch and connect it like so, and I'll cut out the back dress. So this is the back dress. I'll cut it out like so. It's simple. So this is the front fabric. So I'm placing the lining and the fabric together. I'm going to sew it at the neckline and at the shoulder, so, and at the side seam. So I will do the same to the back also. So let me go and sew it. So I've already sewn the front dress. So I also mark like 1 inch for my buttons. Okay, so I'm going to be placing them right at the shoulder. So I'll just go in from the front and I'll turn it for neat finishing of the shoulder. I'll sew it by half inch. Then I'll also sew the side seam. Okay, after sewing the side seam, I'll sew the buttonhole. So I've already sewn it. So here is my front dress. So see how neat the shoulder and the side seam is neat. Okay, so then you iron your piece, you iron your dress like so. I fold my fabric into two, so I'll be marking 7 inches because it's a layered ruffles. So the down of the ruffles to be 7 inches, so while the length is like 30. Okay, because I'm going to be pleating it, so I'm going to double my waist by 2. So the waist is 20, so 20 times 2 is 40. Okay, so I'll cut it out. So when I open it up, it's going to be 40. So I'm going to cut another piece again. Okay, because I'll be doubling it. I'll cut another piece of for my ruffle. So I'll cut it like so. So then for the first layer of the ruffles, I'm going to be marking 5 inches like so. I'll mark 5 inches for the first layer. So after marking it out, I will cut it. So let me know your thoughts about this tutorial. So let me know if you will try this dress for your baby or your niece. Let me know who you are going to sew this lovely dress for. So I'm done cutting the long stripe for my ruffles. So I've already joined it like so. So at the end of the long stripe, I'm going to go in by 1 inch. Okay, then I'll connect it to the hem like so in a slant line. So after connecting it, I'll just cut out like so. After sewing, I'm going to be folding the hem like so and sew it all the way to the end before we start pleating our ruffles. So I will do the same to the other 5 inches because it's a doubled layered length. So I will do the same and also cut out like so. So I am done with my long stripe for my ruffles. So here is my dress. I've already done the buttonhole, okay, with my zigzag sewing machine. So you can check a tutorial on how to do this buttonhole in my YouTube channel. So I've already sewn the ruffles. Okay, I've already sewn the ruffles. See, it's a double layer. So I'll just plait it. I'll just place it at the dress, right side facing right side, and I'm going to sew at my sewing machine. I'm at the sewing machine. So for my pleats, I'll be marking for 4 inches. Okay, so you can make yours smaller, you can make yours bigger. It depends on the pleats you want. So I'll just fold it like so. As I'm sewing, I'll be folding the pleats. Okay, I'll put in the 4 inch to meet the other 4 inches like so. So I'm going to sew this all the way to the end like so. So you can make yours gathers. You can make your own pleat, kiss pleat, that's inverted pleat. So depending on your preference or your choice, also just be creative with your design. Be creative with yours. So I will sew this all the way to the end. So I will show you how it is. So here is the pleated dress, double layer pleated dress. So I've already sewn that. so I'll just iron it. So you see the inside, see how neat the inside is. Okay, so so for the bow tie, so I'm going to place my bow tie on it like so. Then I'll place at the back of my dress. So I'll and sew this. Okay, you can use your sewing machine to sew this bow tie, but I'm sewing it like so. So after I'm sewing it, I will just place my big bow on it like so. Okay, so you can make your own bow dramatic depending on what you want, or you can use another color of fabric, okay, to to do your bow, so that just to give it this pop color. Children dress are always dramatic and lovely. Okay, so you can be creative with your design. So let me know who you are going to sew this kind of dress for, and let me know whether you sew it for your baby or your niece. So let me know who you are sewing this dress for. Okay, so I will just attach this big bow to the dress like so. So I made a tutorial on how to achieve this big bow. You can go check it out, it's on my YouTube channel. So you will learn how to do it. It's very simple. Okay, so just find time to to do yours. You can sew and give this dress to your sister's baby, or to your friend's child, anyone you can sew this dress for. So I am done fixing the bow to the back of the dress. So this is me buttoning up the dress. Okay, so it's very simple and this dress is lovely. So let me know where you're watching this video from, and please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are a new subscriber or a returning subscriber, so do well to share this tutorial so that others can see and learn, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.